Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete orders on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to go to the Etsy website. And after that, you will be needing to access your shop manager. That means you already have a seller account and now you will need just to go to the shop manager. By clicking on the shop manager, you will be able to see the orders. And basically now we can just follow this help article in of Etsy. So basically this is how you can complete your order in a tracking number. Since we are only interested on completing orders for this video, we can see how you can complete an order on Etsy. So basically, as we said, you will need just to simply go to the shop manager, and from here you will find this menu or the side menu. So from here you will find dashboard, listings, messages, etc. Now we are interested in orders. You click on orders. And basically here you will have new orders and those are will be completed. So simply you will go to the new. So as you can see here, you will need just to be on the new so you can see all the uncompleted orders. So basically, you can either bulk complete order, so you will click on bulking, or you can select whatever you like, and then you can click on complete order. So it will have this icon, and basically next to each order, so you will have the list of your order, order 1, order 2, order 3. You will find at the right something similar to this icon to complete the order. So basically, by clicking on it, you will need just to click on the icon and then you will be able to complete it. So basically you will need just to choose a ship date and you can choose to set ship dates up to 3 days in the future, and basically you will add a personal note if you would like to the buyer. You can save up to 10% of your note to buyer, etc. And you add the shipping carrier and some preview buyer notification, and then you complete the order. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.